Hey there, it's Dave of FlipperForce, and I'm here to share a quick recap of all of the new exciting tools and features that we launched in 2021. So here at FlipperForce, we're constantly working on making new improvements to the platform, and in 2021 we launched a whole bunch of new tools and features. And so I'm just going to share with you our top 15 features that we launched in 2021. So let's do it. Number 15, the Global Vendor 1099 Report. So right now is around that time when you need to be thinking about your taxes. And in early 2021, we launched our new Vendor 1099 report to provide you with a global summary of total compensation that you've paid to all of your vendors on all of your projects, so that way you can send out your Vendor 1099s during tax season. Number 14, speed updates. So throughout the year, we worked on several performance updates to help improve the loading times and speed of the app, specifically our repair estimator template loading. So previously it'd take about 30 seconds to load in an estimate template, but I'm happy to report that now the estimator in all of our pages throughout the app load in a matter of seconds. Number 13, exporting estimates to Excel. So we added in a new option to the Repair Estimator tool that allows you to export your estimate data to a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So that way you can get all of your estimate data into a customizable spreadsheet format if you need to. Number 12, bulk importing and exporting expenses on the expense tracker. So we launched our new bulk expense importing tool, so that way you can easily bulk import a bunch of expenses to the expense tracker in a matter of seconds. Our new bulk expense importing tool will be handy for bulk importing expenses from your credit card, your bank account, or your accounting software such as QuickBooks. Number 11, features for home builders. So FlipperForce is primarily built for house flippers that buy and renovate existing properties. However, some of you also build new homes to sell or rent long term. So we launched some new workflow changes and terminology tweaks for home builders. So when you pick a new construction strategy such as build to sell or build to rent, the app will automatically change the names of the tools, the features, and terminology to better reflect a new home build instead of a flip. Number 10, the Inspection Widget. So we added our Inspection Notes widget to the Repair Estimator, which you can use to quickly and easily document the condition of the property and take inspection notes of whether something's in good condition, bad condition, and needs to be repaired or replaced. We even added in a detailed list of things that you should be looking for on each category. Number 9, the Bid Manager Widget. So we also added in a Bid Manager widget to the Repair Estimator, so that way you can track and compare your contractor bids to help you determine the best qualified bidder for each category on your projects. Number 8, the Document Manager Revamp. So we made a whole bunch of new improvements to our Document Manager to just make it easier for you to manage all of your project documents in one place. So now you can customize your folder structure by adding new folders, deleting folders, and editing your folders if needed. Number 7, the Photo Log. So our Document Manager isn't ideal for managing photos. So we built the new Photo Log as a dedicated tool specifically built for managing all of your project photos and creating a chronological photo timeline that you can use to share with your business partners and lenders. Number 6, the Estimate Template Manager. So you can create your own custom estimate templates in FlipperForce, but previously one of the problems was that you couldn't edit an existing template once it was created. And so we launched our new Estimate Template Manager area, which makes it much easier for you to edit your existing custom estimate templates, so that way you can easily make adjustments to your template categories, your repair items, and prices, so that way you can reuse your templates on future projects. Number 5, default analysis settings. So we launched our new default analysis settings so you can set up all of your commonly used analysis assumptions for things like your buying costs, holding costs, selling costs, and financing costs to help save you time and help you analyze your house flip deals faster than ever. Number 4, the Flip Analyzer Revamp. So we completely revamped our Flip Analyzer tool, so all of our steps are on one quick and easy to use step-by-step analysis wizard. We added in a bunch of new advanced loan options, and we completely revamped our Flip results page with new financial information to help you make more informed buying decisions. Number 3, the BRRRR Analyzer. So we launched our new BRRRR Analyzer, which is our new step-by-step analysis wizard for analyzing BRRRR deals. The BRRRR Analyzer calculates the initial sweat equity that you can have in the deal from buying a property at a discount and making those smart renovations. And then you can also calculate the long-term rental income, operating expenses, and cash flow that you can achieve over time if you hold the property as a long-term rental. Number 2, the property overview page. So we completely revamped our property overview page, which will now be the main project hub to see all the important information about the project stage, the project status, your milestones and tasks that you need to get done on your project. And finally, number 1, your project pipeline dashboards. So we launched our new project pipeline so that way you can easily review where all of your leads and projects are in your pipeline. You have a new lead pipeline where you can track all of your leads and move them through your acquisition workflow. And you also have an active project pipeline where you can track the overall stage and progress of the active projects that you have under construction. Once you get your projects completed, you can move them to your new completed project portfolio to store all of your successfully completed projects or manage your rental inventory. So that's it. That's our top 15 new tools and features that we launched in 2021. We've got big plans for 2022, and we're going to be taking on some of our biggest challenges yet. So as always, thanks for your continued support. And if you have any feedback, let us know.